The Max EMP Defender 12V will protect against all transient surges, including lightning and EM. Your package will include the device, mounting hardware, and instructions. Be sure to register your device on our website using the serial number located on the front of your device. First thing you would need to do is locate your vehicle's battery. Please note, installation will be different on each vehicle. Be sure to find a safe location to mount your device, either using the enclosed mounting hardware or your own. We recommend installing along the firewall or inner fender. Due to spacing in this vehicle, we installed next to the battery. Next, you'll want to locate the negative terminal of your battery and unscrew the nut that connects the cable to the battery. Place the black wire ring terminal over the negative terminal stud. Reinstall the nut and tighten to the correct torque. Simply repeat this process on the positive side of the battery, connecting the red wire and ensuring the nut is tightened to the correct torque. This device has 8-gauge wires with soldered ring terminals, which provide a strong, high-quality, and weather-resistant connection. You'll know your device is properly connected when you see the green light on the front of the device. For a cleaner, safer installation, use the zip ties we provided to secure the wires out of the way. Congratulations! Your vehicle is now protected. For other surge protection devices, visit our website at badwolfusa.com.